Hello guys, welcome back. Now we are going to cover the operators which are there in the Java, right? This Java provides very rich set of operators, right? To manipulate the variables. We divided all these operators into following groups, that is arithmetic operators, unary operators, assignment operators, relational operators, logical operators, ternary operators, bitwise operators, shift operator, and instance operators, right? Now we will cover one by one. So as we know, the arithmetic operators, they are used to perform the mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo, and increment and decrement operations, right? So here, this division operator always it returns the quotient, right? This modulo operator, it returns the remainder. So this is also called as a remainder operator, right? So if we have A and B 10 and 20, this is a result for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulo. So if you want to know about this division and modulo, let's say A B by A, we are performing here 20 by 10. So 20 with 10, 10 to the 20, the remainder is 0. In this case, whenever you are using the division operator, you need to consider the quotient. If you are using the 20 percentile 10, so in this particular case, you need to consider the remainder, that will be 0. This is all about your arithmetic operators. Then unary operators we have, they are known as increment and decrement operators, right? So here unary minus, unary plus, these are the two operators which are used to increment and decrement operators. This plus plus is called as the increment operator, minus minus, that is called as a decrement operator. Let's say your x value is 5. You are performing two types of incrementations, that is pre-incrementation and the other one is the post-incrementation. Pre means before the variable. If you are performing the incrementation, that comes under the pre-incrementation. After the variable, if you are performing the incrementation, that comes under the post-incrementation. In both cases, the value is going to be incremented by 1. Then you can ask me, what is the difference between the pre-increment and post-increment? The difference is, if it is a pre-increment, let's say x value is 5. So you are saying system.out.println, you are saying pre-increment. The value gets incremented in the same statement. Let's say the x value is 5. We are performing post-increment operation, system.out.println x plus plus. In case of post-increment operation, the post-increment value will affect the next statement. The value in this particular statement, it remains constant, that is same. In the next statement, if you are printing the x value, then that will be 6. That in the sense, the post-increment value will always affect in the next statement. This is all about the incrementation, and decrementation is same. Here in incrementation, we are increase the value by 1. In incrementation, we will decrease the value by 1, right? And coming to the next operators, they are assignment operators. They are also called as the shorthand operators. Equal to, plus is equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equal to, division equal to, modulo equal to. These are all called as the assignment operators. Here, I'm going to tell you an example. Here, x is equal to 9. You are assigning 9 to x. That in essence, you are storing 9 in the x. And sir, what about this x plus is equal to 7? What it means? Let's say x value you have 5. X plus is equal to 7. This is the expression you can rewrite as x is equal to x plus 7. You have the x value as 5. 5 plus 7. That will be the 12. This is a way you are going to utilize the shorthand operators or assignment operators. Next, we have the ternary operator. So the ternary operator, it acts as a if-else statement. It has 3 operands, right? That's what we are calling it as a ternary operator. Here we take the condition like a greater than b. If this condition is true, then we will print a, otherwise we will print b. So first we check the condition. If the condition is true, what we are going to do? We are going to print the first statement. If the condition is going to be false, then we are going to print the second statement. This is how this ternary operator will work. It's same as a if-else operator, if-else block, right? Next, coming to the relational operator. Here, relational operators, they are used to check the relationship between the operands. Let's say you have A and B. What is the relationship between these two variables or operands, right? By using different relational operators, that is double equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. These are all the different relational operators. They are used to check the relationship between the operands, right? This is a simple example program. I'm taking the class, next I'm taking the main method. I'm taking two variables. Now I am finding the relationship between the two variables. Are they equal or not equal? It always these relational operators, they will return the Boolean response, either true or false. So A equal to B, it's false. A not equal to B, it's true. A greater than B, false. A less than B, true. A B greater than or equal to A, true. B less than or equal to A, it's false. This is how the relational operators, they will uh, find the association or relationship between the two variables or operands. Coming to the next operator, these are the logical operators: logical and, logical or, logical not. These are the three operators. So logical and, this is the operator. If both operands are non-zero, then the condition becomes true. If A and B both are non-zero, then that is true. If in case, if any one is false, then the output is a false. Logical or, either any of the input is true, then the output is true. Not, it is opposite to the uh, condition. Let's say this is A and B is false, let's say. Then opposite or not operation of this false is true. This is how logical operators will work. Next, coming to the next operator, bitwise operators. Bitwise operators, always they works with the bits. Whatever the integers which you want to perform operation, first you need to take the binary value of those two integers. Here I'm taking A value as 60, B value as 13. Convert the 60 into binary, 13 into binary. Then perform the AND operation. Let's say here 00, 11, 11, 00. That is a binary value of 60, and 00, 00, 1101. This is a binary value of 13. So this is 60 binary value. This is 13 binary value. Now what do you want to do? Let's say bitwise AND operation I want to do. And the truth table you need to keep in mind. And will return true if both are true. So false and true, false, 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 false. So here both are true, true, both are true, true, false, 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 false. This is your final output. That's what we are getting this. This is how you can perform the AND operation, OR operation, and XOR operation. In case of OR, if anyone is true, the output is true. In case of XOR, if the inputs are same, then the output become false. That in the sense, if you want, I will draw within a minute. Here your input is A and input is B. You want to know the relationship between A bitwise XOR. So 0, 0, 0 means false, 1 is true. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So if you see here the both inputs are same in the first and last case. The output will become false. Rest of the cases, the output is true, because whenever the inputs are different, the output is true. This is all about the bitwise operators. Then instance operator. So this is a special operator which is there only in Java, right? This operator used for object reference, right? The operator checks whether the object is belongs to a particular class or not, right? So object reference variable, instance of that particular class or not. If it is belonging to that particular class, then it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. In example, you can see I'm taking a class vehicle, right? In this class, that is a class just I opened and closed. Now I'm taking one more class, car class, which is extending vehicle. Now I'm taking the main method. I'm creating object for the car class. Now I want to know whether it is A is the object of car or not, right? A is the object reference instance of the class, right? If it is a object of car, then it returns true, otherwise it returns false. Here, this A is the instance of this car class. That's what it is returning true. Otherwise, it will return false. This is all about the instance operator. Now coming to this is all about the operators, guys. In the next session, we will see expression. Chalo, thank you.